Hi, I'm Dr. Brenda Deforrest. I'm here at the Deforrest Eye Center in Orlando, Florida. We're here today to learn about the MD Elite IPL system for dry eye syndrome. If you're watching this video, you may have already heard a little bit about this, maybe from me here in the office, maybe from a friend or a family member. In any case, you probably have questions because this is very new in our industry, and I am thrilled to be able to walk you through the process and help you to take that next step in treating your dry eye. So if you're watching this video, you probably have dry eye or you've heard something about this already. I think if you understand what causes you to have dry eye, it'll help you to understand how this treatment is so effective. 85% of people have dry eye because they have meibomian gland dysfunction. Meibomian glands are the oil glands in your eyelid that produce oil. That oil then is on the front surface of your eye and it prevents your tears from evaporating. So if your meibomian glands are clogged, you don't get any oil onto the surface of your eye and your eyes are constantly dehydrating from the evaporation of your tears. So what the IPL does is it treats the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid, and by treating those glands, they start to produce oil normally like it did when we were younger. You have a natural oil production that then protects the tears on the surface of your eyes. For those of you with very dry eye, you certainly can understand the benefit that you're going to receive from the treatment. What you may not understand is the additional benefits that you receive from the treatment, the most common of which is the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles in the rest of your face. So when I do the procedure, again, I scan over the top of your lids and under your lids. And by doing that, your fine lines and wrinkles are decreased. And what this does is rejuvenate your skin, giving you a more youthful appearance. So you might be wondering, is this gonna hurt? Am I gonna have a puffy face? Like, what's this gonna look like? So it's not gonna hurt. The instrument has a frozen probe. So when I apply it to your face, you will actually feel the cool probe applied onto your skin. Because it has that frozen probe, it doesn't require us to use any sort of anesthetic on your skin. So normally if you're having a laser procedure, there's a lot of topical anesthetic on the skin. That's what gives you that puffy redness when you're done with your procedure. And since we can avoid that step, that means when you leave here, we've cleaned you up, we put the appropriate sunscreen on your face, and you're on your way. So you can leave directly from this bed and walk out to lunch or shopping or wherever you need to go, and there is no downtime. And the entire process takes just 15 minutes from beginning to end. Okay, so let's see the procedure in action. Norma's inserting the eye drops that numb Megan's eyes for the protective eye shields, and then I follow up with the ultrasonic gel that I apply all over Megan's face to get ready for the laser. So I start with the eyelids and I go across the upper lids and the lower, and then I switch to the other probe. This probe's a little bit larger, you can see, and it helps me to get easier coverage across the rest of the face. I start with the forehead and then we treat both cheeks. I like to finish up around the jawline. Of course, we go up and over the bridge of the nose. And when we've completed the entire face, we just clean off that ultrasonic gel, and then I'm able to remove the protective eye shields out of Megan's eyes. You can see Norma will then clean her off with a warm, moist towel just to make sure all of the ultrasonic gel is sufficiently cleaned. Of course, we follow up with a high-grade sunscreen, and you'll feel like you've just spent the day at the spa. See how easy that was? It only takes 15 minutes. Again, your IPL treatment is easy, quick, with no recovery period. So not only do we treat your dry eye syndrome, but we're also reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And who doesn't want that? The entire process is 4 different sessions scheduled over a period of 6 to 8 weeks, and they're all done here at the Deforrest Eye Center. We're happy to work around your schedule. Please call us for an appointment.